If you're looking for something quick and easy for dinner tonight, or maybe for your next tailgate, have we got the recipe for you. It involves chicken, bacon, and a stick. And who doesn't like food on a stick? Hey y'all, welcome to the farmhouse. I'm Chris, and today we've got barbecue chicken and bacon skewers going good under the hood of our Kamado Joe. Now, all you're going to need for this recipe is basically skewers, a couple of chicken breasts, and your favorite thick cut bacon. Now for this cook, we're going to need 2 chicken breasts or more, depending on how many people you're going to feed. These are easier to cut into chunks rather than the say chicken thighs or chicken legs. Some of the recipes I've seen call for chicken thighs. I understand, just because of the fat content and the juiciness and the moistness of chicken thighs, but they're really hard to cut evenly, and they're a little difficult to stay on the stick as well. Now I'm going to cut these into 2-inch chunks, give or take. We want these chunks to be thick enough anyway to stay on the skewer, but we also want them to be able to cook evenly. Once we got our chicken cut into chunks, we're going to let them marinate in our favorite barbecue sauce while I heat up the grill. Now you can do this just before you cook them, or you can let them sit in the barbecue sauce for a couple of hours. It's up to you. The longer they sit in the barbecue sauce, the more flavorful they're going to be, of course. But I would recommend using your favorite barbecue sauce to marinate your chicken in. Now I'm using Mrs. Griffin's barbecue sauce. It's a mustard-based sauce that goes well with chicken. I like the little bit of tanginess that I get from the mustard and the vinegar combination there. These guys are from Macon, Georgia, which is close to my hometown, and they make a really, really fine barbecue sauce. I'll include the link down below if you want to check those guys out. So we got our ingredients, and our chicken is cut into our 2-inch chunks or thereabout. And so we're going to put this all on a stick now. So we're going to start with our bacon first. We're just going to take the end of the bacon. We'll start it at the end of the strip there. We're going to go down about 2 inches or so on the stick or the skewer, and then I'll just add a chicken chunk. I'll wrap that, kind of wrap fold the bacon, if you will, on the skewer, and then I'll keep going like this until we've got enough chicken on the skewer to end with the last bacon fold, or the tip of the bacon there just kind of folds over the chicken. Typically it's going to be about 4 to 5 pieces of chicken, but it's really up to you, and of course how long your stick is. The bacon I'm using here is actually Burger's Smokehouse Cajun style bacon. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? I like the little bit of heat that it's going to bring to the flavor of the chicken with that tanginess from the barbecue sauce. And I really like Burger Smokehouse. I think they do a lot with bacon. They've got a lot of different types of various flavors of bacon that the folks over at Burger Smokehouse does. So I've also included their link if you want to check them out. They really know how to do bacon up right. Now our chicken bacon skewers are all done. It's time to put them on the grill. I've got my grill set on about 350 degrees. You can go as high as 400 or 425, but I really wouldn't go much higher than that. We want to cook the bacon and the chicken at the same time. High heat could cause the bacon to burn before our chicken is thoroughly cooked, and that is just no bueno. I like crispy bacon, but burnt bacon, no good. Just a side note here, I wanted to let you know that I've added 2 chunks of peach wood to the lump charcoal for added flavor. The peach wood adds a nice, sweet, delicate flavor to the meat, and it's great for this type of cooking where mesquite or even hickory may be a little more than of a smoky taste than what you're looking for. And when you're smoking meat, it's a good idea to match the boldness of the wood with the meat that you're cooking, and peach is a great wood for all types of white meats, including fish. So now I'm going to turn the skewers every 5 minutes. I want to hit all 4 sides of this chicken chunk. This just makes sure that the bacon and the chicken are cooking evenly. And we don't want to, well, here's the thing. You can do this on the grill, or you can actually broil these as well. But if you do broil them, you want to make sure that you turn them every 3 minutes. Otherwise, your bacon may burn, or the side of the chicken may burn much faster than what it would happen on the grill. I've seen a couple of recipes out there that say, well, we can put them in an oven at 250 degrees for 30 minutes. I'm saying, yeah, maybe a convection oven, but a regular oven, that chicken at that temperature is not going to cook all the way through. So this is going to be real tasty. 10 minutes of prep, 20 minutes on the grill, add your favorite sides, and you got a tasty meal in no time at all. So that's how we do our barbecue chicken and bacon skewers. It's real quick, it's real easy, and it's super delicious. You're sure to love this recipe. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We do recipes all the time, trying out new things, trying out old things, and putting a twist on some of those old things as well. So hope to see you next time. Y'all come see us soon.